this is Travessa dos Anjos, so we're going to be going directly down this street right here, and we'll give you a little context. So we're kind of in this little space. Major road right here, goes all the way down like that. And we're going to be kind of in front of Cafe Eskimo, so we're going to head on down this way. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Travessa dos Anjos. So we're gonna be walking straight down this way. So let's get started. So we'll kind of capture some of this imagery here. And so yeah, this is one of the this is a pedestrian street, and it's kind of cuts through in a good way. There's like little alleys, so you can go into these little stuff right here like that, and there's another alley here with a temple. Let's take a look at that as well. Hey. Hey man, how are you? Good. How you guys doing? We're gonna check this out too. Got a little temple right here. There's those little patios, these little courtyards, and they're off all the tributaries as well. And we're gonna keep on going through here. So yeah, this is a little pedestrian street, and kind of cuts through to some. It's kind of a back way to get to what's that called? There's another little alley in here as well. Nice restaurant. Let's kind of walk down this way a little bit. Kind of has these little alleys, and I did explore some of these alleys in some past videos as well. They're off of Travessa dos Anjos. Got a little butterfly. So we're gonna stroll on through. So yeah, this one is kind of a back way to get to Sao Paulo ruins and some of the other kind of cool stuff around here. There's Beco dos Anjos. I'm gonna keep going all the way through. It's kind of marked by these black and white Portuguese designs. And then there's got these other little tributaries, Travessa dos Anjos. You got, this looks like a little temple right in there. More Portuguese designs. And then we're going to come up to a corner right here. And this corner, this will kind of keep going all the way down like that. And we'll just kind of reflect back to where we were. So we were down this way. So see, every time I film this one, this is like a nice little space right here that you can capture both sides. So they come up this way and they go down that way. So let's bite that way and we'll go down this way. It's all the same Travessa dos Anjos, so go all the way down. So we're gonna head all the way down, and then usually at the end there's a fruit stand, but that's not on Sunday today, so there are a lot of people around today, but it's not one of them. And we come out at this street. So this street is like a nice commercial district. There's a Portuguese embassy down that way. There's this street right here, and then there's also that one, Portuguese bookstore. And so yeah, maybe just so that we can kind of see how it's all connected. So this is our main focus right here, Travessa dos Anjos. So we basically went like that, and then we're just gonna walk up a little bit towards this Portuguese bookstore. And then up here, it's kind of near the Sao Paulo ruins area a little bit. So we'll walk all the way up. Get that kind of cool stuff up there. Get tourist. Thanks. Then we're gonna go a little bit further, show you the Portuguese bookstore, show you some of the cool architecture around here, like that. Looks pretty cool. So yeah, Travessa dos Anjos is near all of this. I was gonna walk a little bit further. Nice black and white designs. And I think what we'll do, oh, there's a Portuguese bookstore right there. It's actually, it looks like it's closed today. Yeah, so you can see museums, schools. So, yeah, I guess it's closed. So we can't go into there. And I guess we'll end it in this area. And we'll just go down just a little bit more. Then you can see how this connects to here. So we'll just go down to the end, and we'll stop the photo. But yeah, Sunday. Nice busy Sunday. There's also lots of kind of cool stuff everywhere around in here too. Including these streets, Travessa de Se. Like that kind of stuff up there. And then of course, this goes all the way up to Sao Paulo ruins. And then we have São Domingos as well. So yep, just gonna capture this real quick. Okay, so that's where we came from. We just came from that space right there, Travessa dos Anjos. So we're just gonna end it right in that space. Chiquinha,